Wow, isn't this lovely? Of course it is lovely. So that is the fried rice that I just prepared. And guess what? I prepared this fried rice in a special way. Even me myself am surprised with the method I use. So if you want to know how I prepare this from the scratch, I will employ you to sit back and watch. So these are the ingredients. So I use turkey. You can use chicken, you can use fish. It depends on what you want. So that is right time. I use just one sachet. Using too much of this will make your food taste bitter. So the next thing I use is curry powder. I use about 4 sachets of curry powder, but if you have big one, just use wisely. And the next thing I use is, of course, my green pepper. You can see the type of pepper I use. Just try this pepper. Try it out, give it a try, you will love it. This is the combination of the green peppers I use. It gives the food the original taste that it deserves. And another pepper that I use is the red one. It gives the food a unique color. That is my spring onion. Also, you need spring onion for this fried rice. So the next thing I added is, of course, my ginger and garlic for boiling of the turkey. You will love this. The next thing I added is, of course, carrots. You need carrots, and you can scrape the back if you wish, but for me, no, I don't scrape the back. I just wash it thoroughly. So the next thing I added is, of course, my green peas, and of course I used onion to boil the meat. That is my turkey. Make sure you used this type of onion to boil it. So this is arrangement of some of the things I use. In the meantime, if you have not subscribed, kindly do that and turn on your notification bell. And the reason is because you will be the first to get my video whenever I upload a new video. So as you can see, this is my unique filter spoon. You can get one if you go to plastic shop. You get one. This is very useful. I love it. So, and it's not that expensive. So I didn't blend my pepper. I grate it because I want the pepper to stand out in the rice. So this is my chopped spring onions, carrots, and of course my green peas. I'm sorry I didn't show you my green peas. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. So this is my combination of red and green pepper. Look at it. Wow, it looks. So this is my mixed stock. I added ginger, I added Maggi, that is seasonings, I added the mixed stock, onion, curry, and I also added thyme. So in the meantime, don't forget that cleanliness is next to godliness. Whenever you want to prepare food, anything you are preparing at all that has to do with putting it in your mouth, make sure you always wash thoroughly. Because a lot of people may know what they say, this turkey is not dirty. No, I said no. Make sure you rinse thoroughly. You can rinse for about 3 times. I rinse it 3 times. And when I'm satisfied with the water, that is when I stop rinsing it. So rinsing it is removing any chemical from the turkey. So, or chicken, you can use fish, anything you wish to use. You are good to go. Just don't eat your fried rice without any protein. So this is my second time of rinsing it. Make sure you rinse thoroughly. You can see the water. It's not as dirty as the first one. Can you see? That is what I'm saying. That is the third water. So make sure you rinse. And about the mixed stock, in fact, I love it. I use a lot of water. Yes, you might wonder, and why is this mixed stock much like this? You will get to know the reason why. My sister, my brother, just cross your hand, and that is my turkey. Wow, I love it. I feel like eating it, but no. After finishing the cooking, that is when I'm going to eat. That is my mixed stock. So you can see the ginger, the onion, everything is well mixed together in So the first thing I added is, of course, my groundnut oil. Look at this groundnut oil. Do you love the color? Yes, that is the remnant of the oil I used to fry my turkey. Now that is the, just use this. Wow, see my mistake. Wow, look at everything. Just add everything. Make sure there is no bone, and it doesn't have bone, so I added everything. Just add it. Can you see the reason why the water is much? The method we are using is the unique method, the newest method in this year, and I believe nobody have ever posted this type of video on how to cook fried rice. So you will love it. It's just a plus for you. So that is the usefulness of my unique one. Can you see? You use it with ease. It will filter the water away. I'm just packing after washing like 3 times because I like washing my rice because of starch. At least I'm trying to wash my weight. I don't want to be too fat. So wash out the starch, just wash it away. After washing, then you pour in your washed rice. Like I said, always. So when it is boiling, that is when I started adding. You can see, just follow the procedure. Follow the procedure. It's boiling already. Then I added the thyme. Just add one. Too much of thyme will make your food taste bitter. You can just ask people that cooked a lot. You will get to know that it is true. Now the next thing I added is, of course, my curry powder. Don't forget I've added curry powder to the mixed stock, but I just have to add this so that you can see it. Yes, so this is, I use two, combination of two, masala and chili. I love the taste of both. So if you don't have this type in your region, just use any type that you know that is the best, and you are going to. Now look at this rice. Wow, did you see this rice? Look at the color, yellow, green, red. So the next thing that we are going to add is, of course, our sauce. Can you see this method? I know you love this. So I add little seasoning because I want my food to be tasty. When it comes to jollof rice, fried rice, I love my food to be tasty. So I added the seasoning. I added little seasoning. You can see the garlic. That is garlic. Yes, everything is well incorporated. Wow, I love this. Very, very delicious, and it's economical. I repeat, highly economical. The next thing I added now is, of course, my green peas. This is my green peas, and this is my chopped carrots. Yes, you can see how fresh it looks. I love it. Wow, you guys at home, you are invited anyway. You can reach us. Yes, we'll give you out of it. So that is my spring onion and also my green beans. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you my green peas, so I used about 9 pieces of green peas. So just pardon me for not showing you that. So our food is done. Just allow it to steam for about 5 minutes and you start turning it like I'm doing in the video. So you can see, look at this fried rice. Can't you see? Look at this. Even the party jollof rice that is spend, a lot of people will spend a lot fortune on fried rice, and if you taste it, you will not even like the taste. You will not like the taste. So don't forget to subscribe, and wow, see our jollof rice. No, sorry, see our fried rice. I'm just saying jollof rice. See our fried rice. Oh God, I can't wait to eat this. This is lovely. This is lovely. I love the color. I love the aroma. I also love the taste. In fact, I did not even wait for this food to cook before I started eating because I was tired cutting this, cutting that, going here, going there. In fact, you have to turn it very well. Turn it, and you can see as I was turning, everything is what is greenish. Yes, because of the method I used. Even turning it does not make any difference. Just for you to mix all the other ingredients together. Subscribe if you have not done that. If you watch it to this point, subscribe. So I'm ready to dish your food. You are invited to everybody. Everyone watching us, you are all invited. So this is the fried rice. It's ready. Wow, the heat won't allow you to see it very, but I just managed to use it like that at least so that you can see it. Wow, the heat is really covering it from you, but I know you can still see. I don't know. Yes, you can still manage to see it even if it's not that bold, it's not that sharp, the color. Yes, because it's very, very green. I love it. And those, yeah, that is my turkey after frying it. I fried behind camera. I'm so sorry. And I told you the ingredients I used to fry it. Don't do it. Look at it. Do you love the meat? I know you love it. Do yours too. Give it a try. You will love it. So give me another look after cooling. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Click to watch the next video. Bye.